everybody, it's Jesse here with St. Joe Harley-Davidson, and we've been talking about Screamin' Eagle performance upgrades. First we talked about the Screamin' Eagle Pro Street Tuner, then we talked about Stage 1 air cleaner upgrades, then we talked about Stage 2 cam upgrades. Now we're going to talk about the Stage 3 big board kit upgrade. So the Stage 3 kit comes with a 4.075 inch big bore cylinder. It comes with the Screamin' Eagle 11:1 high compression piston. It also comes with Screamin' Eagle Performance valve springs, Screamin' Eagle Performance lifters, and it also comes with Screamin' Eagle Performance piston rings. It comes with a 498 cam, and for each Milwaukee 8 motor, the 107, the 114, and the 117, they have a Stage 3 kit for all three of these engines. The 107 to 114 big bore kit offers you up to a 39% increase in horsepower. The 114 to 117 kit offers you up to 24% increase in power, and then the 117 CVO upgrade kit offers you up to 17% increase in power. So if you have any questions about the Stage 3 kit, come on out and see me. This Saturday we got Smoking Saturday Tunes. We're going to have $2 beers, free chili, and Jimmy Bratcher's going to be here playing some killer music. So come out and see us.